Hey everyone, Marty Music here. So you want to learn guitar? Awesome, let's do this. Picking up the guitar for the first time can be exciting and maybe a little intimidating. Don't worry, we've all been there. In this lesson, we'll learn 5 easy guitar chords that will have you playing songs in no time. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Let's get started. You might be thinking, only 5 chords? What can I even play with that? You'll be surprised. Tons of popular songs use just these 5 basic chords. By mastering these, you'll build a solid foundation for more complex chords and techniques later on. Remember, every guitar hero was once a beginner. Let's begin with the C chord. Place your index finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, B string. Then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, D string. Finally, place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, A string. Strum all 6 strings, and there you have it, your first chord. Next up is the G chord. Start by placing your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 6th string, E string. Now put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, a string. Lastly, place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, E string. When you strum a G chord, don't strum the 6th string, E string. Just focus on strumming from the 5th string down. Section 5, D chord, adding depth. Now let's learn the D chord. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, which is the G string. Then put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, the E string. Finally, place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, the B string. When strumming the D chord, avoid hitting the 6th string, the E string. Practice transitioning between C, G, and D. Section 6, M chord, a touch of emotion. Time to add a little emotion with the M chord. This one might look tricky, but it's simpler than it seems. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the D string. Just strum from the 5th string down. You'll notice that the M chord has a slightly mellower sound compared to the others. Section 7, a chord expanding your range. Last but not least, let's learn the A chord. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. Make sure all your fingers are pressing down firmly on the strings. Like the C chord, you'll strum all 6 strings for the A chord. Practice transitioning smoothly between all 5 chords. Section 8, chord transitions and practice tips. Now that you know 5 chords, let's talk about transitioning between them. Smooth transitions are key to playing songs. Practice switching between 2 chords repeatedly, focusing on accuracy and speed. Start slowly and gradually increase the tempo as you get more comfortable. Remember, practice makes perfect. Even dedicating 15 to 20 minutes each day can make a huge difference. Section 9. Your first song, putting it all together. Ready to play a song? You bet you are. A great beginner song using these 5 chords is Amazing Grace. The chord progression is G, C, G, D, M, C, G, D. Strum each chord 4 times and try to keep a steady rhythm. Section 10. Keep strumming. Congratulations. You've just learned 5 easy guitar chords and are well on your way to becoming a guitar player. Remember, the journey is just beginning. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more guitar lessons and tips. Now go out there and rock on.